What is margin? Well, margin represents distance between one HTML element and elements that surround that element. So basically, with the margin CSS property, we can define distance between elements that surround current HTML element. So based on that, we have 4 different properties. We have margin top, margin right, margin bottom, and margin left CSS properties. Value for margin CSS property can be set like auto, which means that distance between HTML elements will be calculated from side of browser. Then we can set specific units, for example, pixels, M or EM values, points, etc. Then we can use percents, which means that distance will depend on the size of the screen. And inherit, which means that margin will be inherited from value that has been set like a margin value for parent HTML element. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.